It was Sunday night, April 5th, 8:30 p.m. April's sours turned into a rage never seen again. A low rumble, a roar. Heard it from the west to below Mississippi. But to the final test, the cities shaking, the whole town screams from the best east side. The nightmare is streaming, combined, rising, taking everyone down. 48 blocks destruction in this town. It came with the fury, it came with the fire. To reach right, Isaac, the joy, rising higher, higher. Letting letters blowing to Tennessee. Miles away, the city, waking up to around day. It ripped apart, it ripped it apart. It broke it into, maybe now you'll see the pain from the wrong side out. 200 homes are gone, and they're lost in the noise. Maybe now you'll see pain from the wrong side out. It's coming, it's coming. Tupelo. 200 families gone. 200 families gone. And the water tower fell to below Mississippi. The boom of a living heck. St. Marcus Church is fighting raised to the snap-on. Only gun upon is where the victims were found. 700 injured, over 200 dead. Tears are falling. Nowhere to lay your head. Panicles shooting through the sturdy trees. About the whole city, about the whole city, down to its knees. It came with the fury. It came with the fire, rising higher. It is blown to Tennessee, miles away. The city waking to a ruin today. It ripped it apart. It broke it into. Maybe now you'll see the pain from the wrong side out. 200 homes are gone, and they're lost in the noise. Maybe now they'll find their souls from the wrong side out. Wait, look, a family survived. A tiny baby, what kept it alive? Cloud is running in the shed on the hill. Clouds running clouds running in the shed on the hill. I'd missed a ruin. The air is still. It ripped it apart. It broke it in two. Maybe now you'll see the pain from the wrong side out. 200 homes are gone hard, and they're lost in the noise. Maybe now they'll find the souls from the wrong side out. Out. Wrong side out. Tupelo down. Wrong side out. Tornado down. Wrong side out. It ripped it apart. Wrong side out. 1936.